today's Hamster Kombat daily Cipher Morse code. Today the 4th of July 2024. Once again, I welcome you guys back. Please, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, do well to subscribe, like the video and share with others. Without further ado, let's get it started. So the first thing is you click on the daily cipher as usual. Click on the daily cipher. The word for today is stake. STAKE, stake. So let's dive in. The S is dot. The T is dash. The A is dot and dash. The K is dash dot dash, and the E, which is the last one, is a single dot. And that is it, guys. Once again, endeavor to subscribe to this channel, like the video and share with others. Thank you.